In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new expense in the Expenses section. Let's get right into it. Start on your main dashboard and look to the left side of your screen. You'll see the navigation menu running vertically. Find and click the option labeled Expenses. This takes you to the central hub where all your recorded spending lives, and it's the best place to review, filter, and manage every transaction you've already entered. Once you're on the Expenses page, move your attention to the top right corner. Click the button that says New Expense. This opens a clean form where you can capture the details of what you spent. Think of this as your digital receipt, clear, organized, and easy to search later. Now, fill in the expense details carefully. Start with the date so the expense lands in the correct reporting period. Pick a category that best describes the purchase, like travel, meals, or software. Accurate categories make your reports far more useful. Add the merchant or vendor name to keep your records searchable. Enter the amount exactly as it appears on the receipt. If you work with taxes, include any tax amount or select the appropriate tax rate so totals are correct. If your system supports multiple currencies, make sure the currency matches the original transaction. You may also see optional fields like payment method, project or client, department, or location. Use these if they help you track budgets or bill expenses back to a specific job. There's usually a notes field. Use it to add context, such as what the purchase was for or who attended a business meal. And if there's a place to attach a receipt, it's a great idea to upload a clear photo or PDF. That keeps everything in one place and speeds up future audits or reviews. Before moving on, take a moment to skim what you entered. Double-check the date, category, and amount. A quick review here prevents messy corrections later. When you're confident everything looks right, click Save. The system will record the entry and take you back to your expense list. You should now see the new expense appear in your list, typically at or near the top, depending on how the list is sorted. If you don't see it immediately, check your filters or date range, or try a quick refresh. You can open the expense from the list anytime to view, edit, or attach additional documents. That's it. Click Expenses, click New Expense, enter your details, and click Save. With these steps, you'll keep your records accurate and your reports reliable.